Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your Fire Stick is on the latest Fire TV OS. This avoids app conflicts. Once done, open the Amazon App Store and install Amazon Photos. This gives you the gallery interface. Make sure to sign in with the identical Amazon account that holds your photos because account mismatch is the most common blocker. You'll see a welcome screen. Follow the on-screen prompts to allow storage and network access, so the app can display and download thumbnails quickly. Once signed in, you'll want to confirm syncing. Enable autosave on your phone so new photos stream to the cloud automatically. This saves manual transfers. Next, navigate collections or albums on the Firestick app to organize what you'll show. Use search with names, dates, or locations to find content quickly, because browsing large libraries can be slow otherwise. When ready, choose slideshow for continuous display or open a single photo to zoom, pan, or view more data. Pick what fits your presentation. To finish, decide whether to stream or cache. Use download to store photos locally on Firestick for offline slideshows. This reduces buffering. Alternatively, cast directly from your phone via the Amazon Photos cast icon if you prefer mobile control. Make sure to adjust slideshow settings, duration, and transition to match your display. If something goes wrong, first verify you're on the same Amazon account, then check Wi-Fi strength and app permissions. Often re-signing in or clearing app cache resolves stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.